When taking basically any science class in high school, you probably came across the scientific method or a diagram that looks like this. And this linear sequence of steps is supposed to represent how scientists go through the scientific method. The scientific method is a series of steps scientists use to gather information, answer questions, and to just gain new knowledge about the world. They make observations and then ask a question. They do more research before making an accurate and testable hypothesis. They perform a controlled experiment. They test their hypothesis and analyze the results, and then they create a report from those findings. This linear series of steps is correct, but it's not the whole picture of science. And this diagram does show the basics of the scientific method, but it's a lot more interesting and intricate in real life. I like showing this diagram, where it doesn't have a start and an end point, it just goes around and around and around. And within each of these circles are even more steps and more processes within science. I'm not going to make a video about every single one of these steps in the circles, but I think it's important that we understand that the scientific method is not just this one linear sequence of steps. There is so much more to science than just one linear sequence of steps. If you want to see the true process of science in action, I highly recommend this video from California Academy of Sciences. I show this video every single year in my biology classes, and it shows how a new species of spiders was identified. And they show you that process using this chart.